Welcome to our channel. I am Deepak from TechPax Research and Innovation Services. Today I am here to present you one of the topic in the artificial intelligence. So the system that we have implemented is basically the color based object detection by the segmenting it, right? So what exactly we have done in this is basically we have designed two models, as we have taken one of the journal research paper from the IEEE, that is implementing it with using the artificial neural network by segmenting the things and training it for the classification purpose. As a modification, we have done Gaber and neurofuzzy based model, which is providing effective output in terms of, as it is a proving itself as a effective machine learning algorithm with a high accuracy of the object detection on the basis of the color. So firstly, let's have a look. We have a data set with the faces, images and leaf images, and one more category is over there. Let's have a look. That is of for the face, for the leaves and for the hand. So these are three of the categories that we have taken. It can also be done for the different scenarios, but as the base paper was working for these three categories, we have taken this. So firstly, I am going to run it for the neural network based system. So when I'm running it, it is processing the system by getting the images. Feature extraction technique is being used, then the data pre-processing is over there, and then training of the neural network is being done in the MATLAB, and later the classification results are being analyzed in terms of the accuracy, precision and other quality of service factors. Later we have implemented it the same scenario with another case study of the proposed algorithm, that is neurofuzzy, which is also known as ANFIZ, adaptive neurofuzzy network. Along with that, the features those we have used in that is basically the Gaber features, Gaber filter based features, so that the results are proving itself as that accuracy is much improved. Also some more modification which I will give you in details only in my upcoming videos, but here as the time is short, so as I need to preview the whole section, so I will just giving you the overview that the Gaber based neurofuzzy system is being proposed in the proposed section, right? So feature extraction is done for the 30 images. The neural network, this is the interface of the neural network which we have used for the artificial intelligence training. So the total epochs given for the training itself is the 1000 epochs. Epochs is basically the iteration, you can say, and finally once it is trained, it will start the testing of the images and show you these objects those are calculated by it. And let's have a look how it is going to present. As the processing is very fast, might be the images are not showing over there, it will show in few seconds. See, all the images are collectively shown, so you can see it is showing the results. These are the images for the testing that we have placed in the test dataset, which are not used in the training section. So it is processing it, extracting the features and detecting the objects, that where it is and what it is, right? So see, these are the accuracy for the face, leaves, hand and our proposed algorithm. So these are the selected sections. So it will also telling at the back end that which are the leaves, which are the face. You can see there is bit variation in the results, as the output is not giving the accurate result. That's why we have proposed a new technology. That was the issue basically, which is defending it to improve. So when I'm running for the proposed code, I'm running it directly. I've saved the trained section showing you the results. So calculated the performance in terms of accuracy, sensitivity, precision and recall, and it is showing that our proposed algorithm, that is Gaber based neurofuzzy system, is providing better result. Sensitivity is high, the recall is high, precision is high, the accuracy achieved is high, right? So for all four classes. So this is how artificial intelligence can help you in any of the field, as the previous accuracy achieved is 0.94, or if it is in percentage 94% by the standard neural network ANN, but by the proposed model it is giving 97.13%, which is very much improved, given approximately of 3% improvement with respect to the traditional technique. Most of the papers I have seen, those are giving the 99%, 100%. Those are in case of the deep learning networks which are pre-trained or having a huge data set. But if you are going to train yourself with the limited images, then achieving the 90 plus accuracy is very much effective. Even more concepts are over there in this. For that you can contact us directly and can get the ideas that how we can implement it, and what are the basic funda behind of it. So for more details you can contact us on the numbers given in the description below. Thanks for watching the video. And this color based object detection by using the proposed Gabor neurophysics system is providing intelligent system for the object classification. So I hope you people like this video, and those who want to work in artificial intelligence can adopt this field in the image processing to complete any research work or any of the thesis, right? Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.